Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these fake gem like crystals to create these really cute pendants. Now this pendant that I have, I created these brown, gold, and green like little crystals, and I just glued it to piece of wood with actually what are these things called? A paper clip. So that's one way that you can do it. And you guys, this is so beautiful. It is shining. It is like blinging. And then this one, this is one that my daughter did. She actually put this one on the back of a actual, pendant, so that she can put a string through it and wear it as a necklace. But these things are like shining like crazy, you guys. And then these, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I had intended on making like earrings, like little stud earrings, or I might turn these into pendants. But these are beautiful. You guys, do you see these things? Can't really see it, and I hate it. Okay, anywho, so for the crystals, this is what the crystals actually look like. These are all of the colors that I did. Look at these, you guys. Like, these things are shining. These things are blinging. Look at this. And guess what? You guys will never guess what the heck I made these out of. Want me to tell you? I'm going to tell you. Right there. Some goddamn kosher sea salt is what I used. And not even a lot. I think each one of these was only like a spoon or two. But this is great for those that do jewelry, pendants. Look at this. I'm trying to get my stupid thing to focus. It won't even focus. Okay, anyways, we're just going to go ahead and get into how I created these. But you guys, this was super fun. It was easy. All in all, even with the dry time, it probably took around 3 hours. Yeah, that's pretty much it, around 3 hours. All right, you going to focus in on that? Look at that, you guys. Like, these things are beautiful, and my camera is just not doing any justice. Like, these things are shining, like blinging, beautiful. And I just don't feel like they're getting the credit that they deserve. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into this craft. And remember, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.